Let's back up your Android phone to Google Drive. Now open up the Settings app on your Android phone, and you can back up everything, but we need to make sure you're signed in first to that Google account. Now it's a check if you're signed in. We can scroll down to Accounts and Backup, and then Manage Accounts. You need to have a Google account in here. You can see there is my Google account. Again, you need to have a Google account linked to it and have enough space to be able to back everything up. After you've done that, it's fairly easy. All we need to do is go to Accounts and Backup and tap on Backup Data. You'll see a number of different options, photos and videos. I'm going to turn this on because I want it to back up, and make sure that you have enough space here to be able to back it up. And then let's also go back out here and tap on Other Device Data. This will back up lots of other device data like your text messages, your SIM, your settings, your app data. Make sure this is turned on as well. And then let's just go back and hit Backup Now. It should automatically back up periodically, especially when it's plugged in overnight and you're charging your phone.